going on, guys? Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets, and this video I'm going to talk about my Rightline gear bags. Posted a video about a week ago where I took my roll bar cover off, and somebody asked me if I could do a video on the Rightline gear bag. I guess they saw it in there. I've done a video on these in the past, but that was a long time ago. So this video I'm just going to talk about those. Other videos more like all types of storage solutions on your Jeep. But let's talk about these Rightline gear bags. I've had them for a while now, and I mean they're just straight up awesome. You can put anything you want in them. Keeps all your gear or just whatever you're bringing on a trip out of your cargo area and puts it on the side here. One thing I will mention is I am running the diabolical slipstream, so these sit up higher, and I'll show you that in a minute. I think I have some pictures or just the product images of how they sit normally if you don't have the diabolical system. They sit a lot lower, tuck in neat, but since I have the diabolical, it still works, but it sits a lot higher. But let's take some up close looks at them and talk about why you might want them. Alright, so as you can tell, they are made by Rightline Gear. They're right around $90 for both sides, and I will throw a link to buy them in the video description so you can check them out. Got them on Amazon. Like I said, $90, and they fit with all year JKs. It just has straps that attach to the roll bar 1, 2, and 3. They don't flap in the wind, especially when they're loaded down. And one convenient feature of them is that the outside's plain. Let's go over here. You have a zipper on this side, so you can open your rear door. You have access here, access on the top, and access on the back side, as you can tell over there. I'll do some more filming on the back side here in a little bit. But one nice thing about these bags is you can easily take them off. So there's normal, drawing a blank on what these things are called, buckles, whatever. This always happens to me in videos, I forget what they're called. So you can quickly take it out and boom, you're good to carry it on the go. Has a little grab handle up there, so you can walk around. What I keep in mind, this left side, I keep all my air equipment for airing up, so my air hose, my let me just open it up and show you guys what I keep in here. So yeah, let me show you guys what I keep in here. It's actually really dirty, dusty. I haven't cleaned them off in a while. But this is how it would normally sit. As you can tell, it is angled for the wheel well if you're not running the diabolical. So they sit nice and flush. But as you can tell, the zipper pocket's really big. In here I have my tire inflator with the gauge. I keep my air hose in here, a bunch of spare fuses, some napkins, and a shackle, which actually should be in the other bag. And whenever I'm going on a trip, I usually throw a fresh towel in there, a fresh shirt, shorts, all that stuff, because it's nice to keep a spare change of clothes in your Jeep. But let me just go ahead and zip it up. Over on the front, you have a small little pocket, not very big. What do I keep in here? Some of the hard top bolts, keep those in there, and a little mesh pocket here to put pins or whatever. But they're extremely convenient because you can take them off real quick, carry it around, load up your gear, then put them back on the Jeep, and you can actually still load it up even on the Jeep. Let's go check out the other side. So over here on the passenger side of the Jeep, I keep all my recovery gear. So I have my soft shackle in there, tree strap, RockFab tree strap, hard shackle painted white so you can easily see it. It's a great tip, by the way, if you guys that have shackles. I've talked about this before in a video, but I know I have a lot of new subscribers. Your hard shackles that you use for recovery, paint them white or some visible color, because a lot of the times these get left on the trail, especially if they're black, you're not going to see it mixed in with the dirt. So if you paint it white, yellow, all that stuff, any of that, you'll be able to find it. It's be highly visible, you won't lose it. What else do we have in here? Some rags, a pair of gloves. I mean, as you can tell, the list can go on and on, but it's extremely convenient to have a place out of the way where you can store your stuff. Whether it's recovery gear, whether it's tools, anything you want. It's good for, overlanding or just, daily driving. My big thing that the reason I got these, because I used to take my dogs in the Jeep in the back, and I used to have like a little toolbox with all this stuff. but the toolbox got in the way, the dogs would slide around. So got these gear bags, and they've been amazing. The zippers function really good. And like I said, if you don't have the diabolical, it's gonna sit, it's gonna sit right up on that wheel well hump. So it only comes up to about here. Luckily, I was still able to make them work with the diabolical and with the roll bar padding removed. These are adjustable, so I mean you can raise them up, lower them, move them back, however you want. Definitely a great purchase. I just wanted to make a video showing you guys these, and especially for whoever requested the video. Thank you for that. I love when people ask me to make videos. In this case, it was a real quick, easy video to make. And like I said, I'll throw the link to buy these in the description. But overall, I've been happy with them. 90 bucks keeps all the, everything you need in one place, easily accessible if you need to remove it, carry it. But I'm ranting. I'm going on and on right now. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Like always, give it a thumbs up if you will. Subscribe if you haven't. Do all types of Jeep videos. If you're new to the channel, you can always throw in the comments any questions or video requests, and I'll try my best to do them. Like I said, this one was a video request, and it was super quick to make. I'm glad when you guys ask questions. 2 thumbs up for sure. I've had them for a long time. It's a lifesaver, just throwing stuff in there and not having to worry about it. They're simple. It's a gear bag. There's really not many other things like it on the market. Price point $90. A little bit on the steep side, honestly, but they function, they work good, and it's a great idea. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna stop talking now. Be sure to check out some of my other videos if you haven't. So take care, guys.